This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming carrier support and deciding whether you need a one-time hide or a permanent change. First, enter the per call prefix, like *67 in the United States or #31# in many countries, directly before the recipient's number, then press call. You do this because per call prefixes are quick, don't alter settings, and rely on carrier processing. Once done, the recipient sees private or unknown. Make sure your phone's dialing format includes country codes when needed. Next, configure your device for a persistent solution so you avoid prefix entry each time. On iPhone, go to Settings, Phone, show My Caller ID and toggle it off. On many Android builds, open the phone app, tap Settings, Calls, Additional Settings, then set Caller ID to hide. If these options are missing, contact your carrier to enable network-level suppression. You do this because device-level changes are simple, but carrier controls override them, so make sure both are aligned before relying on the setting. Finally, complete the process by placing a test call to confirm your number shows as private. If the test reveals your number, check that you included the correct prefix, that device settings were saved, and that you used the right country code. Remember why some services still display your ID. Emergency numbers and certain business systems bypass blocking for safety or authentication. If problems persist, call your carrier. Ask them to enable or troubleshoot account-level blocking, and request confirmation once resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.